soki oza ebele na kolanda parce que bobengi bosengi nasalela bino suite effet ya témoignage ya lokuta ya elenge mwana mwasi oyo ya kitoko me baboti ne bakosi ye. Alors liloba na nzambe ezoloba ke mwana na nzambe esengeli aloba vérité. Et puis Mobutu oyo azalaki bongo maréchal ya Zaïre azalaki moto équateur azwaka problème makasi na vie na ye ntango bamongo bangala baki komona ye ke anwari te na bakanja bakoma basantu. Botuna bato nyonso tu oyo batravaille na Mobutu aboyaka alobi anwari te na bakanja bakoki kokoma basantu te mpona namona mongo na bosantu te. Nazalaka tribaliste te, natakaka bato nyonso basalaka mabe mpo bazonga na nzela avec amour. Naza moto bandundu nalobelaka mpe bato bandundu. Alors soki mpe bandeko oyo ya bamongo bazosala baventure toye koatake bamongo nyonso so te me toye koatake groupe oyo akotisi na bana na ye. Alors naoki etangela bino verset biblique na Deutéronome 18 ebandi na 8 balobi il recevra pour sa nourriture une portion égale à l'heure et jouira en outre de revenus de la vente de son patrimoine. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Deutéronome 18-19. Lorsque tu seras entré dans le pays que l'Éternel ton Dieu te donne, tu n'apprendras point à imiter les abominations de ces nations-là, qu'on ne trouve chez toi personne qui fasse passer son fils ou sa fille par le feu, personne qui exerce les métiers de divins, d'astrologues, d'augures, de magiciens, d'enchanteurs, personne qui consulte ceux qui sont ou ceux qui évoquent les morts, ceux qui évoquent les esprits ou dire la bonne aventure, personne qui interroge les morts. Car quiconque fait ces choses est en abomination à l'Éternel, et c'est à cause de ces abominations que l'Éternel, ton Dieu, a chassé ces nations devant toi. Tu seras entièrement à l'Éternel. C'est-à-dire que Bible Zolba a bien à Deutéronome 18, 9 à 11, Zolba Tina 12, Tina 13, et oui, Moutoumorote a consulté les divins, Moutoumorote a consulté les diseurs de l'aventure, Moutoumorote a salé le voyage astral, Moutoumorote a consulté les démons, Moutoumorote a simba solo kat Alexa mwana na ye, ya moi c'est toi mobali na bateau basala l'aventure. Alors oyo tozolanda awa ezali makambo Bible boy yango papa asali. Ngala olobelo moko tolanda nanu avant to kota na oyo ngala olobelo.
And I do something wrong, and I don't ask for forgiveness from God, I will also go to hell. The Lord telling me that I have my own palace in heaven. He showed me it himself. But that doesn't mean that, okay,
Lukuta numéro 1.
go to heaven. Because it's not true. Anyone that's been to heaven, in fact. But it depends on your sins, what you have done in the world. So I'm not saying this testimony just to say, oh, okay, I have a palace, so I'm fine.
Izana mutu moko te aza na ndako na lola.
Because the Lord wants people to be warned. And so it's like a warning for me as well. Because if I do wrong, I will also go to hell. If I was to say, okay, this testimony, I'm keeping it, I will be punished. Because the Lord will tell me. He will say that you knew the truth. I showed you And I
lokuta
cried.
lisusu
And the Lord allowed me to go inside the house. And I went and looked around. And it is beautiful. And that palace was for heaven. And it's not the house for me on earth. That is my personal palace in heaven.
boye nzambe atongela ye palace na ye na lola lokuta.
Just me having a house is not guaranteed.
Comment ozala na ndako na lola ozala na garantie te ya kokota? Confusion na
When the
lokuta.
Lord showed me the book of life. And that book of life, what surprised me is that names were coming off. Children of God, you must be aware of this. Pay very, very attention to it. In the Bible, we hear about the book of life. Preachers, they preach about it. But what we need to know is that in the book of life, come off. You can say you believe in God and you do everything to please God.
eza na moto moko te kombo no ekokoma na buku ya bomoi apres balongola yango esalamaka te, c'est du mensonge.
But when your name is written in the book of life, you have a palace in heaven.
C'est étrange soki bakomi kombo no na buku ya bomoi batongeli yo palace na paradis, n'importe quoi.
You know it's a sin. Your name is off the book. Automatically. It's not that someone has to come and write it in. It comes on and off automatically. And after seeing my palace, the Lord took me back to the angel for me to get changed. And when I changed,
Donc nkolo azozela ye ye na ange baochange bilamba n'importe quoi.
he said, I love you.
Nkolo alingaka motu nyonso.
You see, in the world, anyone can say they love you. Oh, I love you. Be your parent, your husband, your wife, your family. But when the Lord said to someone he loves you, and it's coming from the one who created heaven and earth, it fills you with so much happiness that I can't explain. Because people of the world will say I love you and then next they forget about it. But the Lord said that and it stays like that. It's written on your heart that okay, the Lord told me he loves me. Then nothing more can beat that. It's just there. And on the 20th of July, the visit was from 10:15 to 10:45. And these times, and because the reason why I know the times is because I would always wake up before the visitation started. I would wake up and I would check the time, but then something would always pull me back into sleep. And that's I know from what time the visitation would start. Because when I go back to sleep, is when the Lord visits me. That morning I heard the Lord say, as usual, Sarah must talk with you. He put out his hand.
Nzambe asengaka jamais moto permission mpo asolana abimelako mbala moko aosengo permission te.
And as we entered the gate, the angel took
esalama nano te soki nzambe apparaître pa na yo directement kochanger forme soki oza sataniste oza na noir soki oza moto na nzambe oza na pembe couleur ya pembe ya bilamba nkolo ameme na tinela molili ye moko aza lumière akomema moto na molili so oza liboso ya nzambe gloire oza nango ozwa ata ntango otuna question te diable vraiment akoti na église mwana kitoko bobo okoti na lokuta topusa yango liboso toyoka lokuta na ye nzambe asenga mutu permission kwa sura na ete
I took it and we went up to heaven. I got changed and the Lord said, I must show you something. And the Lord, he led me to a big hole that I had seen before. He led me to a big hole that but this time, instead of going down slowly, we went down very fast. And until we got to a certain place, a lot of people were being tortured. The smell was horrible. You see, when something's rotten in the fridge or freezer, and you know how it smells, the whole house becomes very smelly. That was like a million times worse. That if your human body was to go, you wouldn't even be able to stay. You would just walk out straight away. And as we kept going down, the noise was very loud. People were screaming for help. But we just carried on going down. And then I saw a lot of cells. They were like prison cells. And it was black. And it had name tags on them. And one of them read the abortion. And it opened itself. And I could see all the women that had aborted children whilst on earth. And they didn't ask forgiveness. And they were chained onto walls. And insects and all sorts of things would walk inside them. And they were being stretched apart. It was horrible. And insects would go in and eat them inside. And this pain was not stopping. Their body was not burning. It was the same thing over and over again. And they would scream in pain. These people, it's like they didn't have eyeballs, but yet they could still see. It's this thing. That's when I realized that it was not serious. It was not a joke anymore, sorry. Because people within this world, women specifically, you may have had an abortion long time ago. And you didn't tell no one. And you just kept it to yourself. And everything went past and you got married and so on. But what you don't know is that sin. The blood of that child is on your head. If you don't ask for forgiveness,
bakolisa mwa biloko boto omonaka eza makambo ya nzambe na réalité eza kaka bavantire akoti mwa likambo oyo mpo amadouye bato tokende na suka na okangaka bino lokuta na ye tolandeka
because the Lord is the one who gave it to you. And he will take it away if you decide to kill it on earth. But that sin is on your head. ya nkolo ezalaki na 8h40 kino na 9h ya ntongo. This visit was very short. So visitation oyo ezalaki mokuse mpenza. It was also very sharp. Mais ezalaki te na lombango. The Lord said, nkolo alobi, I must talk with you. Esengeli nasolola na yo. And as usual, he held out his hand. Lokola bomesano atiaka loboko na ye nga mpe napesi yanga. And we went up to heaven. Mpe tomati na ye tokei na paradis. And I got changed. Et puis na changé bilamba. And then the Lord took me on a chair to sit on a chair next to him. Nkolo atie ngai navanda na kiti moko pembeni na ye. And when we sat there was like a big globe in front of us. It was like earth. Tango ngai na nkolo tovandi na kiti wana eza lokola liboso na biso namoni globe ya monene neti tomonaka baglobe ya mokili ya planete na biso earth mabele. And when we sat there, tango tovandi, there was also a TV next to it, so a huge TV.
Ye na nzambe baotala TV.
And on that TV you can see everyone, everything that was happening on earth.
Baotala film ou théâtre. Théâtre de chez nous baotala na TV na nzambe.
It was shocking how it all happened. Because everything on earth was happening. There are like over 7 billion people on earth. And I wondered to myself how the Lord could see everything at once. And then I heard the Lord say, he said, because I can be in a multiple of places all at once. Daughter, I am the Lord. And this is when I realized that you don't have to say, like, the Lord can read our thoughts. Because he read my thoughts. And that's why he answered. So you need to know, you don't, even though you may not say anything to anyone, the Lord can read your thoughts. And we sat there for a while, looking at the TV. The Lord has his hand, he has his hand on his chin. And he was looking at the TV. And all the way to see his face. But I could still see like the position he was sitting in. And then he said to me, he said, this is where I see everything that everyone is doing on earth. And then after this, the Lord took me back to get changed. And when I was changed, I saw a lot of people worshipping God. And they carried on worshipping him. And then I touched the angel's wing. And I said to him, I said, you are very beautiful. She didn't reply, but she just smiled. And once out, the Lord took me to my house. And he said to me, he said, you need rest. You're tired. That's the reason why I'm doing today. I shall speak with you very soon. Daughter. And then he left. And he said, the reason why he said I was tired, it was true, I was tired. Because during this visitation, I was fasting. And it was that every time bakombo bachacha bakombo na baekuke. And the Lord told me to read one of the names. Nkolo ayebisi ngai tanga bakombo mosusu oyo esengaki nga na kotanga. I read it and it said Benjamin Boyanga. Natangi kombo mosusu bakomi Benjamin Boyanga. I was very happy to see my dad's name. Nazalaki na esengo komona
Mensonge.
because it wasn't my house. Lokola ezalaki na ndako na nga. I was not allowed to go inside. Esengelaki na nga te nakota ezalaki epetisi lokote nakota. But the Lord lifted me up. Mais nkolo atombolaki nga likolo. And I was able to see just the outside of it. Namoni kaka libanda etando ya ndako. And then we carried on walking. Tokoki kotambola. And on the same road there was another house. Kaka na etando wana ya nzela namoni susu ndako mosusu. And that house said Jonathan Boyanga. Namoni ndako wana bakomi na ekuke Jonathan Boyanga. And Jonathan is my older brother. Jonathan ezali ndeko na nga mobali ya mokolo. He's the oldest one in the family.
Nzambe aza malamu atongela na yaya na leki na papa na ye moko bandako na lola. Mama na bango Nzambe asalela ye cuisine monene na lola. Eza soni mama bato Equateur. Boyokisa bato Equateur soni.
And then the Lord, he took me to the beach. It was just like that one on the beach. And the beach is beautiful. The sea was clear. And the sand was beautiful. And I said to the Lord, I said, Lord, you truly know what your kids' desires and needs are. He replied, he said, yes, I do. I know my kids love the beach. So I built one for them. It is true.
Dans la lola boza na plage bo bana ngene sokola. L'esprit ba ko sokola na plage. Na yebite so ba olata ba pyjama, ba olata ba bikini, to ba maillot de bain.
And I heard the Lord say, he said, you can get anything you need.
Na ba magasin na lola.
Yeah, you don't pay. It's all for free.
So bozo kosa bo prepare bana. Magasin na lola.
You will go into shops you can never walk out like without paying. Because you'll get arrested. But in heaven,
Na lola Nzambe asala ba magasin na ba piscine.
for free. You go in, get what you want, walk out, that's it. It's completely free for sure.
Bana bozali na lola to na mbandaka.
And then we carried on walking. And then there was like a cage, like a football pitch. And I said,
Terrain Chelsea na Manchester ba obeta na lola.
I hate football.
Yoka bana boyanga.
On earth it's like everywhere you go there's football. And he laughed.
Nzambe mama bimisi bino na posa na makambo ya lokuta boye.
But your older brothers and your younger brothers love football.
Po na lola toyebeta lola tobeta bale na badame na bakarte
Believe me,
na lola. Nzambe asali bango terrain bale.
it's so much more enjoyable than the one on earth. The Lord then took me on the rock that we usually sat on.
Mobutu atunanga yo so moni mongo na bo santo. Terrain bale na lola.
I said, Lord, please can you show me Angel Michael, the leader of the army? And the Lord replied with a smile and said, yes, daughter. And then suddenly in front of us was Michael and the army. He is very big and very tall. When I
c'est-à-dire il y a une sorte de nyonso na lola et pourtant na lola eza esprit mutekendaka nzoto ekendaka te. Quelle confusion.
One thing that you need to see people of the world, we like to take God's glory. We like to make our own glory. No one else helped me. Whereas it's God who did it for you. That's why you always need to be thankful. Because if people who are already living within the abundance that the Lord has made for us, because there are, say Angel Michael, he's already in heaven. He's already living in peace with everything that the Lord's created. So he doesn't need anything else. But then he himself is glorifying God instead of himself. But us, we're still on earth. We're not even there yet. But we want to take God's glory. So people, you need to stop doing that. Because if people in heaven are already glorifying God, in heaven, we should glorify God more, in fact. Because we're not there yet. We're on our way. So we need to glorify God. After this, and the Lord said that we must go. So I looked at Michael and said, bye, Michael.
Bye bye. Michael, I say bye bye. Angelo.
Took me to a place where I saw one of the thieves that repented on the cross. And the Lord promised him that he would go to heaven with him. And he came towards me. And I said, you are the thief. And he replied, yes, I was.
Et pourtant, tant que tout le monde a kota lola te batutu ba na repos ya Abraham. Tant Yesu akoya azwa levement nde batutu ba ke na lola. Na ngongo mutu mona akota lola te me yasa ko mona muyibi na lola.
Once again, the thief, he sends back the glory to God. But he's already in heaven as well. But he's still glorifying God. And this also shows us the importance of repenting. Because if he didn't repent, he would have gone to hell.
La famille nyonso se bakota na lola.
And then the page flipped again, it turned again. And then I saw that some names were coming off. But some names were being written off. So I asked God, I said, Lord, why are the names coming off? And he replied, he said, because those people knew me, but decided to change path and do the worldly thing. People have 100% chance of being saved because I haven't come back yet. I then asked the Lord, can I see Abraham? And he replied, yes, you can. And what you need to know is, as the Lord said himself, everyone has 100% chance of being saved because he hasn't come back. It is true. Because when he comes back, it's too late to try and repent again. Everything's been over and done with. And when I asked the Lord to see Abraham, the first time I asked him about it was on the 29th. He said, yes, I will. Yes, I will see him. But then he didn't show me on the same day. And this is like, it's like an example of saying when we pray to God. See, when some people like, when they pray to God, they want an answer straight away. But it's not like that. The Lord answers people according to when he wants to. And when he wants to. So that's why he kept me waiting to see Abraham till this day. So do not get tired of praying. Because what you need to know is that once you pray without doubting, the Lord has heard you. He has heard you. But he's waiting for the right time for everything to happen. No matter how long it may be, you may have forgotten it, but the Lord has not forgotten it. Because whether you like it or not, it will happen exactly when you pray. Because he has heard you. After this, the Lord showed me Abraham. I said, you're Abraham. And we are your descendants on earth. And he said, yes, I am. And he said, tell your family and your father to carry on working for God. Because the price is much bigger than anyone's.
Mwana wewe usa publicité tata na ye.
Tell anyone in your family that may ask that I said hello. And take care.
Na témoignage oyo Nzambe Abraham batutu balobelaka ye na famille na ye. Balobeli église te, balobi peuple de Dieu te, balobelaka ye na tata ne bandako biloko tu ye na tata na ye.
There's a lot of
Témoignage ya lokuta.
men of God that are troubled. Is that they're praying to God, but because Satan brings in a little bit of trouble, they decide to stop working for God. Because people may have sworn at them, and all sorts of problems have come up.
fa kotisa mwa enseignement mpo bondimaka nzambe moto alobi me nyonso ya na nga lisolo mobutu alobaki mongo aza na bosantu te.
It's how the Lord sees you walking in front of Him. How the Lord sees you in front of Him, what you're doing right in front of Him. Because the payment for that is bigger than anyone can think of. No one can think of it. How big it is. So don't worry about anyone around you. Don't worry about anything that anyone may say. You stay focused in the work of God. Leave what people have to say. If people will hate you, let them hate you. That's their problem with God. Because people will fight against you. But that doesn't mean you go and fight back. Because they're fighting against God. Because God is within you. And God will fight against for you. So you don't need to worry. Carry on the work of God. And your payment is much bigger than anyone can think of. The music in heaven is unique. It is, you've never heard such thing. It's music that once you hear it, beautiful. It was golden pavement from the beginning. Nothing in the other colors. On the side there were flowers. And the flowers were shining. It had its own unique beauty. It was like if you look at it, its beauty can make you cry. And we started walking with the Lord down the pavement. But then it got to a place that an angel came and took me. And the Lord left me and he went back on his throne. And as the angel took me to like a little room. And it had a lot of clothes. And the angel changed me.
Liboso angelu nayo kashaja bilamba bilamba eza automatique soko ta na nzambe soko za mutu na nzambe olata pembe soko za mutu musala mabe olata noir.
And when I finished, I walked out. And the Lord was already there waiting.
Nzambe za ozela changer bilamba.
And then it was like an aeroplane. I wouldn't say it was an aeroplane, but it was like a helicopter car looking like thing.
Place vraiment lokuta monene yango.
And we went on inside there. And it started flying.
Yena nzambe bamata na hélicoptère batambola na bwato basala ba pêche.
And I looked down, and it was a huge palace. It was so big. So the helicopter thing landed. It landed and we got off it. And I ran towards the palace. And the palace said Famille Boyanga.
Na lola batomela bango ndako.
Everyone has their own palace. It's not that when you go there you live with your own family.
Ebo ya bino bakomela bino famille na bino ndenge na lola. Ibo siko ya bino za famille boyanga ndenge. na lola toza tata na mama esika moko te toza l'esprit ki tata mama mwana bakomona biso esuka na se awa
And he sat within the compound but not inside the house. And the Lord sat there. And I went into the compound.
na lola.
And when I ran inside, it was beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen a house that beautiful in my life. I went up and I saw all my family's bedrooms.
Nzambe asali bango ba chambre na lola.
They had everything that we could possibly want in there. My little sister's room, for example, she's now 8 years old. And her room, everything that she tells me she wants to be in her room.
Donc bana popi ba vélo ba jouer bana mike ya blek na 8 ans kuti na lola.
Because I remembered that she
Félicitations Boyanga, vous formez
I
bana
want
ito.
this to be in my room, I want this to be in my room.
Ba jouer nyonso
I knew that when
bana
she
popi
finds out that what she wants to be in her room is there,
na
she'll
lola.
be happy. And after I went into the kitchen, and I heard the Lord say to me, he said, I know you and your mother love a big kitchen.
Tuzo sukisa wa buzo basuka ya oyo kai.
I was very happy. Because it's these little things that we think that the Lord doesn't even pay attention to, and he pays attention to it.
Lola Nzambe asali mama ne kuzina munene.
Even these small little things. I was shocked. And I visited the kitchen, and then I walked out to the garden. And in it there were like fruits growing. And it was so tempting to eat. I stood there for a while.
Bon to sukisi wana ake na lola Nzambe alakisi bandako ba chambre ba cuisine na mama na mama munene pe chambre ya leki na mwasi ya 8 ans eza na ba jouer nyonso tout. Alors pourquoi témoignage oyo? Omona na témoignage oyo eza na mutu moko te nkolo avant visiter asengaka permission. Eza na mutu moko te nkolo azwaka instruction epa baboti na ye po asola na ye. Visitation moko te ekoki koboma mutu po alobi te nkolo alobaki ayebi te soki koboma ye to esale nini. Donc oyo mwana oyo azo témoigner babengaka yango dédoublement, ezali haute niveau ya sorcellerie, niveau mobutu azalaki kosala na tango wana. Alors pourquoi papa na ye a permettre ye a témoigner? Papa na sali bongo po bato bamona ke mwana oyo makambo tu abandoloba na église abandolisa bandimi oyo bakoyebisa biso te eleka na église ke Nzambe aloba boye, Nzambe alobi bopesa mbongo, Nzambe alobi bosala boye, Nzambe alobi bosala boye, parce que mwana oyo bamataka vio na Nzambe, bakendaka peshe na Nzambe, achangeaka bilamba Nzambe azozela ye. Donc basalaka oyo ye azobeta masolo eza ba voyage astral. Nkolo atikala koya kozwa mutu te na avion ou na hélicoptère. Naloba ke na betela mino bisolo ke soki Nzambe alinga visiter yo tango ozokutana ne mbala moko soki oza mwana na Nzambe solo okozala na bilamba pembe, soki oza mwana na Nzambe oza na lisumu mpe ozala na bilamba mwindu ekozala te ke foke na chambre moko bachange boye nango nyonso tu eza nini elakisi mpo na nini papa atindi mwana témoigner akosaka akende na lola mwana oyo basi bainitie na kointerrogeaka bamort, basi bainitie na dédoublement, basi bainitie na kosalaka bavoyage astral. Okomona kiza na bapasteur ebele ya bafranc-maçon bakomi kotémoigner déjà ke babimaka na nzoto na bango baoke likolo. Mais ye akosi bino parce que eza masolo papa ne mutu a inventé pour moi non c'est important c'est pour éviter na témoignage nzamba lobeli ka papa na ye famille na ye a lobeli l'église te a lobeli peuple de Dieu te a tongeli même na papa na bango na bandeko na ye na terrain football na nyoso c'est-à-dire ezali lokuta alors nyoso to wana ezani na Jean 10 balobi le voleur ne vient que pour voler égorger peut détruire alors au cas mon kolo asale la maman na ye cuisine na lola c'est-à-dire tata oyo na interprète oyo na mutu nyonso tu oyo aza involve na makambo oyo nzambe abimisi bino poisa kolakisaka boza lokuta boza bato na misala mabe mpe mutu moko te akoki kosala bozoba boye na berere boye parce que eza soni na témoignage oyo nkolo atindi message te na église ni na bato mosusu batindi kaka na papa ya mwana oyo mpo bato bayebake basambelaka bagenaka bapesa bambongo donc ezali témoignage ya lokuta na telemi yango na kombo na Yesu Kristo tokende otanga liloba na nzambe awa na titre 1:10 elobi il y a en effet surtout parmi les circoncis beaucoup de gens rebelles, de vains discoureurs et de séducteurs auxquels il faut fermer la bouche. Ils bouleversent des familles entières enseignant pour un gain honteux ce qu'ils ne doivent pas enseigner. C'est-à-dire la famille n'est pas il faut kokanga bango kobotola bango Bible kokaba bango na satana pour na ba témoignage ya lokuta mama lokuta bazolina ba intoxiquer bato ou captiver ba famille tout et tout ça total na témoignage oyo okomona combien de personnes batali yango 7881 personnes batali yango bokoki komona 7800 personnes batali 7800 personnes batali yango titre na yango wana siko botala combien de personnes ba like yango 88 personnes ba like kaka 6 personnes ba dislike donc 88 personnes ba ndimi yango kiza solo 6 personnes kaka ba boyi kazo kosa alors bible bato aboyi il faut kanga bango munoko parce que bazali bato oyo bazo tia désordre na ba famille ya bato bazo escroquer bato bazo kosa bato bazo sala makambo boyi alors na likolo kuna amoni parc amoni ba shop na ba terrain ba voyager même na nkolo na kati ya masuwa na kati ya boîte pour bakeno sala pêche. Moi je crois que moi ba memaki et pas ba koko na ye na mbandaka na butu pour ba laisser ba bilimu mabe azoni délivrance na papa na bato nyonso tout basambela kuna pe bato belé bazokende kuna déjà ba mari de nuit esprit ya mabe ezolanda bango alors ezali mawa mingi bozomona makambo comment na lola mwasi na mobali azalaka te mais mwana alobi amoni Marie amoni Joseph ale biloko kuna c'est-à-dire mutu oyo akendaka na lola azalaka esprit aliaka te mais ye akendeki kolia nini alors eza témoignage ya lokuta eza kaka babiloko nasali yango mpona kotalisa bino ke lokuta ekoti na église bapaster mingi bakoti na bana bango ntina franc-maçonnerie bino bomoni mwana kitoko mwana oyo elenge malamu mais azali sikoyo mal utilisé na papa na ye parce que mobutu ntango bakomona ye ke akomisa bongo bakanza mosantu alobi yo somona mongo na bosantu bamongo baa babofrère na nga naza na mwana na bota ya mongo nalingaka bamongo nalingi bato nyonso mais bible ezotinda biso soki mabe ali totelemela yango makambo nyonso to mwana asali papa na ye moto alingi yo erreur atonga bino nyonso bozolanda yango bondima yango te parce que eza lokuta nzambe asunga bango nzambe akuta na bango mais na témoignage oyo bomoni niveau na papa na témoignage na mutu afilme na mutu apartage yango bas esprit moke bayebi nzambe te mpo nzambe abimisi bango mposa merci bolala na kimia bye bye.